last topic 9.7 soil and crops of chapter 9. Please open page number 102. So soil and crops. In this topic we will study about that different type of soil is required for proper growth of a plant. Clear? Different अगर soil है तो उसके लिए different crop होगी. Clear? So in the first one there are examples that are given and जो उसका temperature है, atmospheric conditions, also climate, wind, water, these are the factors that affect the soil, the nature of the soil. Clear? And please underline the factors that affect the soil profile. It is given in the second para. Soil is affected by wind, rainfall, temperature, light and humidity. So if there is different conditions are there, then obviously the soil profile, the structure or the nature of the soil will be different. Clear? And these factors will determine that which type of crop will grow in that soil. Okay? For example, for growing wheat, cereals like wheat and gram, we require clay and loamy soil. Clear? And for paddy, we require clay soil. Okay? In which the organic matter is also present. What is organic matter? Organic matter is the matter that is obtained from the living organisms. Yes, that. For example, जैसे decay कर जाते हैं, that can get decomposed also. That it is from the living, the matter that we get from the living organisms. कोई plants है, dead plants and animals, ठीक है, decompose हो जाते हैं. Clear? And there are different types of other minerals are also present in soil. Air species होती हैं, water भी हम देते हैं, ठीक है. So it vary from soil to soil. So इसलिए जो crop है उसके लिए भी particular soil में वो grow करेगा. अगर हम उसको कोई और condition दे देते हैं और किसी type की soil में हो जाता है तो वो it will not grow properly, ठीक है. And after some time it may also happen that it get damaged. Clear? Now read the first para of topic 9.7. Yes, Samnik बच्चे please come. Aaron, इसके बाद आप second para कर लेना, ठीक है. Please roll number wise. What was the last roll number? Yes, Jay. Come. Jay, please come. Jay.
9.7.
Yes, please.
Different types of soils are found in different parts of India. In some parts there is clay soil, in some parts there is loamy soil, while in some other parts there is sandy soil. Soil is affected by wind, rainfall, temperature, light and humidity. These are some important climatic factors which affect the soil profile and bring changes in the soil structure. The climatic factors as well as the components of soil determine the various types of vegetables, vegetation and crops that might grow in any region.
Yes.
Clay and
Next roll number. So the next para is really, it is very important. Any question can be asked from this. Which type of soil is required for the proper growth of cereals like wheat and gram? Okay, and clay and loamy soil. Okay. So please read the next para.
Clay and loamy soils are both suitable for growing cereals like wheat and gram. Such soils are good at retaining water. For paddy, soils rich in clay and organic matter and having a good capacity to retain water are ideal.
So for paddy, which type of soil we require? Clay soil, and in which organic matter is there. I have already discussed that organic matter. Next.
For lentils and other pulses, loamy soils which drain water easily are required. For cotton, sandy loam or loam which drain water easily and can hold plenty of air are more suitable. Crops such as wheat are grown in the fine clay soils because they are rich in humus.
Please underline this. Wheat is grown in the fine clay soils because they are rich in humus and are very fertile.
Find from your teachers, parents, and farmers the type of soils and crops grown in your area. Enter the data in the following table 9.2.
So table 9.2, you will complete this. There is type of soil and you will write the example of crop grown. Okay?
Which kind of soil would be most suitable for planting rice?
So which type of soil is required for clay soil? So soil, next question is soil with a higher or lower rate of percolation? Clay soil is having lower, higher in sandy soil, and it is lower for the, here you have to tell about the clay soil. Okay, so it is lower rate of percolation. Clear? Next.
Soil erosion. The removal of land surface by water, wind, or ice is known as erosion. Plant roots firmly bind the soil. In the absence of plants, soil becomes loose, so it can be moved by wind and flowing water. Erosion of soil is more severe in areas of little or no surface vegetation, such as desert or bare lands. So cutting of trees and deforestation should be prevented, and effort should be made to increase the green areas.
So there is a question also that is given on page number 104. What is the difference between rate of percolation and the amount of water retention? It is your homework. So we have already discussed the definitions of water retention and percolation. So you will write the definition of percolation and water retention. And can you tell me, please, the rate of percolation is higher in which type of soil? Sandy soil. And rate of percolation is least in which? And water retention is maximum in which type of soil? And it is least in? Or minimum in or least? No, that is the difference between sandy and loamy. I am just asking about that. The percolation rate of different types of soil is clear to you. Okay. Percolation sandy में कैसी है, clay में कैसी है, और water retention कैसी है, sandy में और clay में कैसी है, ये आपको याद रखना है, confuse मत होना इसमें. Yes. Water retention, it is the capacity of the soil to hold water. And I already told you the next other definition also. The capacity of soil to retain water. Retaining capacity of water by the soil. Yes. Of water by the soil. Yes. Now coming to the next one, there is a case study. Please, important blue box is given on page number 102. What are the units of mass? Can anyone tell me what are the units of mass? Gram and kilogram. Okay. And please see this. Please concentrate here. And 1 gram weighs 1 gram weight. And 1 kilogram weighs what? 1 gram. Weighs 1 kilogram weight. In daily life, we don't consider this weight, 1 kilogram weight. ठीक है, इंडस्ट्री में हम डेली लाइफ में क्या यूज करते हैं, सिर्फ 1 ग्राम एंड 1 किलोग्राम यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, देयर इज अनदर बॉक्स दैट इज गिवन. सो प्लीज वामिका, प्लीज रीड द ब्लू बॉक्स. यस, देयर इज नेक्स्ट. नहीं, ये बॉक्स ये रीड कर दे. वामिका प्लीज कम. नहीं, प्लीज ऑन पेज नंबर 102. ग्राम, प्लीज.
Grams and kilograms.
Aaron, बच्चे, sit properly.
Grams and kilograms are actually unit of mass. A mass of 1 gram weight, 1 gram weight.
And a
And
mass
a mass of 1 kilogram weight, 1 kilogram weight. However,
the daily life and in commerce and industries, the
Distinction?
distinction between grams and gram weight is generally
Gram and gram weight.
omitted. And gram or gram.
That is not, it is just, हाँ दोनों सेम है कि हम ग्राम वेट होता है, बट डेली लाइफ में हम ग्राम ही यूज करते हैं, ठीक है. इस डिफरेंस को हम ओमिट कर देते हैं. Another, listen, more the difference between mass and weight you will study in the further classes, ठीक है. It is totally different. Mass is different from weight, but it is not, you will not study in 7th class. It is a concept of 9th class. ठीक है, 9th क्लास में आप स्टडी करोगे तो, हाँ क्या मास की सॉइल, व्हाट आर यू सेइंग, आस्क योर डाउट एट द लास्ट, ठीक है. ओके, एक केस स्टडी. नेक्स्ट रोल नंबर, नेक्स्ट रोल नंबर जयवीर, आपका रोल नंबर कितना था? ओके प्लीज यू मम कम. A case study given on page number 103. So it is a case study, please, that is based upon for example, please, for making pots and earthen pots vase बनाने के लिए we require a particular type of soil. So in this case study you will come to know about how the soil is prepared, okay, and in this clay, in this type of soil horse dung is used. So why the horse dung is used? ठीक है, there are two important questions in this case study. Clear? Okay, please you will come.
Rashida and Radha went to Leeladhar Dada and Santosh Malviya or Sohagpur in Madhya Pradesh. Leeladhar Dada was preparing the soil to make items like surahi, matki kala, earthen frying pan, etc.
Earthen frying pan बोलते हैं.
The following is the conversation they all had with Leeladhar Dada. Where was the soil obtained from Dada? He brought the black soil from a piece of barren land.
Barren land means के जो बंजर soil है ना, वहाँ से वो black fertile land.
How is the soil prepared? Dada, dry soil will be placed in a large tank and will be cleaned of pebbles, etc. After removing these things, the soil will be soaked for around 8 hours. Will be placed on the wheel, given appropriate shape. The final shape is given with hand.
अपने horse dung वाली line छोड़ दी.
This soil will be kneaded after mixing horse dung. The kneaded soil will be placed on wheel and give appropriate shape. The final shape is given with hands. The items are colored after 3 days of drying. All the items are baked at high temperature after drying in the air. Why?
Yes. Stop here. Go to your seat. So in this dry soil, what they do? वो large tank में उसको ले लेते हैं, ठीक है, and then they will remove the small stones and pebbles that are present in soil, and then they soak it. That means उसको wet किया जाता है for 8 hours. Clear? And then horse dung is mixed with it, and they knead it properly. उसको properly उसको गूंदा जाता है, ठीक है, and then they give a proper particular shape, appropriate shape देते हैं, and then dry it, clear, and they color it after 3 days. Dry हो जाता है, then they will color it, clear, and they will bake it in the at high temperature after drying in the air. पहले वो air को dry किस में करते हैं? Air में, and then they bake. Clear? And now next is, why is the horse dung mixed in the soil? Because इसलिए mix किया जाता है because the horse dung helps to open the pores that are present in the soil. ठीक है? हाँ, कलर पहले कर देते हैं, वो एयर ड्राई करते हैं, हाँ, उसको फिर बेक कर दिया जाता है कि वो पक्का हो जाए. ठीक है. Now the next, because it will open the pores of the soil, and what happens, you all know that जो earthen pot का जो water होता है वो थोड़ा सा cool होता है, because water get evaporate from that pores, and it results in the cooling of the water. Evaporates. हाँ जी, हाँ, उसमें जो pores होते हैं वो open हो जाते हैं उसकी वजह से, ठीक है. The cooling is due to the process of evaporation, and evaporation always causes cooling. ठीक है, आपने जब आपने देखा होगा कि नेल रिमूवर या सैनिटाइजर आप करते हो, दो सो दैट विल इवेपोरेट, ठीक है, एंड देयरफॉर जब आपने नेल रिमूवर डाला होता है तो आप कूलिंग लगती है आपको। हाँ, नेल रिमूवर ऑब्वियसली गर्ल्स को तो पता होगा, सैनिटाइजर से भी होता है, कूलिंग इफेक्ट आता है बिकॉज इवेपोरेशन टेक्स प्लेस। नाउ प्लीज नेक्स्ट रोल नंबर युवम श्रेया। ओके आदित्य कम नेक्स्ट।
Why is the horse dung mixed in the soil? Dada, burnt horse dung helps in open up
Let's open up the
pores in the soil so that water could percolate out of the matkas and surais, evaporate and cool the water inside. You know, Sohagpuri, surais and matkas are famous in far off place in Jabalpur, Nagpur, Allahabad, etc.
okay. So now this chapter is completed. Now coming to the last one, what you have learned. Next roll number. Yes, people come, bache. Oh yes, please. Okay, listen. Go to your seat. Sorry, we have not discussed the causes of soil erosion and prevention. Thank you. Okay, please, the soil erosion, the removal of the top layer of the soil, it is called as soil erosion. What are the agents? Wind, water, and ice. Ice is also given. So please underline the definition of soil erosion. The removal of land surface by water, wind, or ice is known as erosion. ठीक है? I think आपका soil erosion SST में भी social science में भी है. So you can, क्योंकि मुझे 7th पिंक कह रही थी कि हम वो definition कर सकते हैं, तो yes you can do that definition also. It is also correct. Clear? Soil erosion. What are the causes of soil erosion? First cause is deforestation. Because if we are cutting trees, so what happens? Trees जो hold करके रखते हैं soil को, ठीक है? If we cut that, then the soil particle will get loose and it can be easily removed by the action of wind or air, ठीक है? And next cause is the overgrazing by the animals. Overgrazing होगी तो क्या हो जाएगा? Grass सारी remove हो जाएगी, ठीक है? और वो plants को खा लेंगे, and then the same thing will happen. Soil will get loose. And the next is that for the construction purposes, we are cutting trees. Here we require land for the proper construction of various types of buildings, malls, and industries, factories. So therefore, we are cutting the trees. And the next is flooding. Flooding से भी क्या हो रहा है? जो soil जो है remove हो जाती है upper layer उसकी, ठीक है? It is also a cause. The next is how we can prevent. Yes. Prevention is by plant more trees, and the next, avoid overgrazing. You can do that. Avoid overgrazing. Next, flooding के साथ आ जाएगा building dams. And the next is we can also do terrace farming. By the terrace forming, what happens? There are steps, so the speed of the water in hilly areas. Terrace forming is done in hilly areas because hilly areas में slopy nature होता है. By making the steps, the speed of the water can be decreased. Clear? Terrace forming. So by these steps we can prevent the soil erosion. ठीक है? Plant more trees, grow more trees and plants you can write. चलो, Aaron ने बोला plants से grow करने हम plants grow करते हैं. Afforestation, yes. Afforestation, reforestation that you will do. Grow. Deforestation उसका cause है, ठीक है? Clear? कोई बार हमने लिख दिया. Grow more plants and more trees, ठीक है? Very good. Yes, you should grow plants. Listen, Aaron, if you are growing trees, maintenance of that plant is also required. उसको maintain भी करना है. हाँ, it's okay. If you are, listen, हम plants grow करते हैं, but उसको the important point is you have to maintain the plant also. कि उसको proper sunlight मिले, उसको proper water मिले, ठीक है? Clear बच्चे? So now, yes. हाँ, बिल्कुल right, बिल्कुल right. So please बच्चे, write the points. Okay, coming to the next, what you have learned. So you will, yes, Aaron. Hey, listen. Next roll number. Vipul, come. Vipul, come. Come here.
What you have learned? Soil is important for life on the earth. Soil profile is a section through different layers of the soil. Various layers are
Underline the definition.
horizons.
That are called as horizons.
Soil
Yes.
is of different types: clay, loamy, and sandy. Circulation rate of water is different in different types of soil. It is highest in the sandy soil and least in the clay soil.
Please, and the percolation rate is also different. So clay soil के लिए वो least होगा, and for the sandy soil it is highest.
Different types of soils are used to cultivate different types of crops. Clay and loam are suitable for growing wheat, gram, and paddy. Cotton is grown in sandy loam soil.
Yes, cotton. We require, the condition is that we require black soil for the proper and proper climate also differs. Okay, hot climate is required. Now the next please. Jashan,
Soil holds water in it, which is called soil moisture.
underline the definition of soil moisture.
The capacity of a soil to hold water is important for various crops. Clay soil is used to make pots, toys, and statues.
Any doubt? Purani, yes. In the old times, yes, people used to make houses also with the help of clay soil. नहीं, पहले जब होते थे ना तो वो उसको कवर करते थे मड से, मड यूज करते थे वो. Okay, please, Jashan, just stop. Okay, please, exercise part. You can write. उसमें ही आ जाता है.
Cotton is grown in which soil आएगा तो हम sandy loam
Sandy
soil
loam
और
soil
black soil
हाँ लिख सकते, black soil भी correct है.
Ma'am, uses of soil में मैम ले आ सकते हैं. Soil is used to make bricks.
Yes, you can write. Soil is
क्योंकि वो भी
brick को use होती है brick बनाने के लिए. Please now coming to the next. Back exercise, tick the most suitable answer in question 1 and 2. Roll number 31. Stand up. In addition to the rock particles, the soil contains air and water, water and plants, mineral, organic matter, air and water. Fourth is water, air and plants. Yes, answer number 3. Sorry. Answer is third part, minerals, organic matter, air and water. Sit down. Next, roll number 40. The whole water holding capacity is the highest in sandy, clay, loamy, or mixture of sand and loam. Clay soil. Sit down. Next, match the items in column 1 with those in column 2. Roll number 29. Stand up. A home for living organisms. All kinds of soil. So the first answer of first one is B. B. And the next, roll number 18. Upper layer of the soil, dark in color. So the second answer is C. Next, roll number 25. 25 roll number. Please. She is present. Please. Sandy soil. Sandy soil बच्चे, उसके particles कैसे होते हैं? Large particles. Third answer is A. Large particles. Roll number 11. Roll number 10. 9. Vipul. Middle layer of the soil. Yes. Fourth answer is E part. Next, roll number 1. Roll number 3.